Alright, today Mr. Ed here called us out to work on his watering problem here. So we built him a little faucet house here, and we got him a nice little door, and we're gonna put that over this hole. We got to do some plumbing first, but Mr. Ed over here, he's the whole reason we're having to do this. So let's go talk to Mr. Ed. What do you think, Mr. Ed? Everything good with you today? All good? What do you think? I know you won't be able to have water over here in your troughs, and we're gonna get that done for you today. Yeah, over there, we're gonna get it done for you. I appreciate you not eating on my truck. I know you don't really like trucks too good, but you friendly, ain't you? Kinda? Not really? You a big old rascal, I know that. Ain't you? You run this here show, don't you? Alright, well, we're gonna get back to work, and we're gonna leave you be. Alright? And then when we get done, you'll have water like you want. Promise you. Alright, the water's turned on at the well. I took out that elbow and just cut the pipe back and just put the piece that I was threading the standpipe to. Don't see nothing leaking. And the water is on. See nothing leaking. I think we're good here. What's up, dude?